Prepare the accessories you received and the tools. Use the key to open the door of the electrical cabinet. Disconnect all power to the machine. Go back to the front of the machine, then take out both barrels. Next, use a Phillips SC red driver to loosen the black pipe clamp. Pull the black pipe out from under the funnel. Then use diagonal pliers or scissors to remove the cable tie. Pull the hose out of the funnel. If it cannot be pulled out normally, use a flat blade screwdriver to pry the pipe out. Finally, take out the two pipes from the bottom. Next, use an Allen wrench to remove the top cup funnel. And take the funnel out from the top. Then lift the top cup base. Take out the spring. Then use a 7mm socket to remove the push rod fixing sheet metal. Finally, use an Allen wrench to remove the bottom sheet metal and disconnect the push rod power cord to remove the push rod. Next, take the base out of the guide rail. Install the cup top funnel on the base. The base roller faces left. The notch of the funnel faces the installer. Then use the previous combination screws to fix the cup lifter. After fixing, connect the pipe back to the funnel. Take out the new push rod and find the sheet metal. Use the long hexagon screw to fix the short part of the sheet metal. Also install the side fixing sheet metal back to the push rod. Note that the motor side should face the inside of the machine. Finally, use nut to fix the side sheet metal and use screws to fix the push rod. Then take out 6 gaskets and springs and place them on top of the push rod. Next, install the sensor sheet metal. First remove the sheet metal. Then use the old screws to fix the new sheet metal. After completion, use a screwdriver to tighten all the screws and insert the bolts back into the middle of the base. An hexagon wrench to fix the bolts. Finally, connect the terminal of the push rod back and connect all the pipes back. and install the barrel back. Next, go to the back of the machine, use an hexagon wrench to remove the screws on the push rod. Use the Allen wrench to remove the screws on the module. Then add the gaskets to the holes. Finally, tighten all the screws back.